Car key features you'll regret not knowing. Did you know your car key fob is hiding superpowers that most drivers never use? In fact, surveys show that nearly 9 out of 10 car owners don't realize their fob can do way more than just lock and unlock the doors. Some features can save you money, others can keep your family safe, and a few might even feel like sci-fi magic. In this video, I'll reveal car key features you'll regret not knowing so you never miss out again. Feature 1. Battery-saving transport mode. Ever left your car parked for weeks only to find the key fob battery dead? Here's a hidden fix. Many fobs have a battery-saving mode. By holding specific buttons or sequences, you can put the fob into sleep or transport mode. This drastically reduces power drain, keeping it alive for months longer. Perfect if you're traveling or storing your car. Check your car manual. You might already have this lifesaver. Feature 2. Valet guest restriction mode. Handing your keys to a valet or even your teenager. Some cars let you activate valet mode right from your fob. It can lock access to your glove box or trunk, limit top speed or disable certain features. Think of it as a digital babysitter for your car, keeping valuables safe and reckless driving in check. Feature 3. Find your key, reverse tracking. Here's one for the forgetful folks. Some smart cars can actually make your key fob beep when you've misplaced it indoors. Instead of tearing apart the couch cushions, your car helps you find your keys, like a built-in tracker. A huge time saver for busy mornings. Feature 4. Contactless payments with your key fob. Think your fob only opens doors? Think again. Some advanced fobs double as contactless payment devices. Linked to digital wallets, they can pay at gas stations, toll booths, or parking meters. Imagine fueling up without even taking out your wallet or phone. Feature 5. Emergency headlight, follow me home mode. Walking home late at night? Your fob can light the way. Many cars have a follow me home function. A simple press keeps your headlights on for 30 to 60 seconds after you lock up, lighting your path safely to the door. It's a small feature, but one that adds big peace of mind. Feature 6. Child safety lock activation. No more fiddling with tiny switches on the back doors. Some cars let you enable or disable child safety locks directly from the fob. Super convenient for families when switching between adult passengers and kids in the back seat. If you've learned even one new feature so far, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps this channel reach more drivers like you. And stick around, because the last feature could save you hundreds in hidden repair costs. Feature 7. Anti-theft stealth mode. Car theft technology is evolving, and so are key fobs. Some let you disable the wireless signal temporarily, making it impossible for thieves with scanners to copy your code. A hidden security trick that gives you control in high-risk areas. Feature 8. Remote window control. Cooling hack. Summer heat is brutal, but your fob might have a built-in AC trick. Press unlock twice, and hold it can roll down all the windows at once, releasing hot air before you even get inside. Think of it as free instant cooling. Your passengers will thank you. Feature 9. Mirror folding trick. Protect your investment. Parking on a crowded street or tight garage. With one press, many fobs fold in your side mirrors automatically. Not just convenience, it prevents costly repairs from accidental bumps. In cities, this trick can save you hundreds every year. Feature 10. Hidden physical key. Your lifesaver backup. Your high-tech fob hides something old school. A physical key inside. Slide the button, pull it out, and you've got a manual backup. Perfect if your fob battery dies, the electronics fail, or you need to unlock your car in a pinch. It's a small detail, but it can save you from being stranded, or from locksmith bills. Feature 11. Panic button hack. Home security tool. Most people only think of the panic button for parking lots. But keep your fob by your bedside. In an emergency, that 120 decibel alarm can double as a home security siren, scaring off intruders, or signaling for help. It's louder than most personal alarms, and can be heard up to half a mile away. Feature 12. Car locator genius. Parking lot superpower. Lost in a massive mall or airport parking? Your fob can turn your car into a beacon. Lights flash, horn honks, and in some models, you can even choose a silent light-only signal. Bonus, some modern systems pair with your phone, showing your car's GPS location instantly. So now you know, the car key fob isn't just a remote, it's a multi-tool packed with hidden tricks that can save you time, money, and even protect your family. But here's the kicker. Inside your car there are buttons and settings just as powerful. Features most drivers ignore every single day. Click this video here to discover the hidden features inside your car's dashboard that make driving easier and safer. Don't miss it, you'll thank yourself later.